Kilo 3, Charlie Hotel Bravo.
Kilo Victor 3 uniform.
Station ending in uniform, come back with a call sign, slowly, phonetically.
Yeah, Jim, very good. Thanks so much. It's Kilowatt Victor 3 United, KV3U. Name's Jeff in Pennsylvania. And just wanted to check in real quick. Made some adjustments here a bit ago and thought I'd get your opinion. Over.
Sounds pretty good. Again, I recommend a windscreen, a foam windscreen, if you get a chance, Roger.
Okay, very good. Does that make a difference? Over.
Yes, sir. It sounds a lot cleaner. And what's your, again, are you running the compressor at a 3 and your ALC at mid-scale to 2/3?
Yeah, I'm a little high on the compression, so let me back up the compression here just a bit.
Roger. Yeah, you want to be very transparent. There's no reason to, to get crazy there. The compressor is only going to do so much one way or the other. Even if you're compressing 20 dB, it'll suck up when you stop talking, so it does you no good. So about a 3 I found to be optimum on the compressors, Roger.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, I backed it off a little bit. We're using a Flex radio, so I had it on DX+. I'm back to just DX. Over.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then check your ALC and make sure with your mic gain and make sure your ALC is mid-scale to 2/3.
Yep, very good. Yep, that is just about where it is. It peaks right at about 2/3. Over.
Yes, sir. That's it. That'll keep you a 3 dB dynamic range, and then your average percent of peak modulation should be 80 to 85% average.
Okay, very good. All right, yeah, I want to make sure I didn't have any RF. I wasn't over driving. I did some work here in the shack and did some adjustments, and thought I'd get a real quick check from you. So very much appreciate it. Thanks for what you do here, and I often listen in on Fridays, and very appreciate the service. Over.
Roger that. And just out of curiosity, what is your EQ? If you had just one click more top end, I would love to hear that.
Okay, hold on. Let me bump up just a bit here. Hold on. Okay, that make much of a difference? Over.
I think so. Tell me about your antenna system.
Okay, yeah, I bumped up a little more. Yeah, just running an inverted V, up at about 50 feet, and I'm running a little bit of power here. I have almost a kilowatt. So. I bumped it up on the high end a little bit. Over.
Yeah, I think that sounds better. The whole thing is when you get into somebody's noise level, the more articulated your audio is, the easier they're going to be able to hear you, even when you're just above their noise level, or actually even when you're under their noise level. That's when it really is important to have a well-articulated audio, Roger.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, it was probably a little flatter here than it could have been. So, okay. Well, I appreciate it. Won't hold you. Let's see if you can grab one more before you're done here. And again, appreciate your time, Jim. Best 7.3s, and I've got a little ICOM here I may try next week with you. So we'll see how that goes. KC9VKV from KV3U in Pennsylvania. Over.
Roger. And what was the name there?
I'm sorry, the name's Jeff, Japan Echo Foxtrot.
Jeff, is that a Roger?
QSL, Japan Echo Foxtrot. Over.
Roger, Jeff, 3-set way, sir. Yeah, if you get a chance, join us next Friday. And I guess you know the drill about being able to hear your audio on our Qso-Vlog page.
I do, yep, I sure will. I'll look for it here in a few weeks, and from there, I probably won't touch on this point. I think this microphone's pretty well set. Over.
Yeah, Roger, I would get the Gorilla Tape and taper down, sir. Yes, sir. And it'll be a couple of days from now before we can upload it. YouTube is getting more ridiculous. They have a whole new studio in there, and it's a learning curve, and I have a feeling that they're not going to be successful because there's really a lot of negative comments about their new their new studio. So I just as soon them go back to classic myself. Anyway, Jeff, 3Z sir, you have a really great afternoon, a beautiful weekend. This is KC9VKV, the Qso-Vlog net. If you have a radio, we're going to take one more here. It's about 2 minutes till 5. We'll take one more. This is KC9VKV listening.